Just waking up. We got the crashing of the waves to the right. I'm gonna want it to rain, so hopefully it'll stick up. But we're in the dorm. Bathing suit's drying, towels drying. Just getting myself a little bit organized. Oh, welcome to paradise. I'm gonna get some food. It's about 9 o'clock. So basically we don't have any crazy plans. We're gonna go to the Paradise Island and try to make it downtown, Nassau, downtown there, and see kind of what festivities are taking place out there in the moment. Until then, we gotta eat some delicious meals. So much for having headphones and solid microphone, HD quality audio recordings. But we're gonna have to do with this. I just have the basic camera. We gotta set out on other adventures and go elsewhere because we're in the middle of a highway right now. We're just walking. There's no sidewalks out here, so we gotta make the most of it. I hardly ever eat fast food. But when this is next door, you know what? I don't want to spend too crazy. We go to Wendy's. Fast food isn't ideal typically, but Wendy's is right down the street, so we're just gonna go inside and get ourselves some breakfast. How many islands are there? 500 islands apiece. 500? 700 islands apiece. 700? Yeah. What? 700? No, there are 700 islands. Yeah, 700 islands apiece. Oh yeah, because even right here, there's like, you know, a dozen right here. Oh yeah, look at all these. Island. What's your favorite island?
My favorite island? One of my favorites is
Exuma. Exuma Island. Nassau. So that's how you say it. It's Nassau? That's how you pronounce it? Nassau. Nassau. Say hello, Alec.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Alec? He's from the Bahamas. He's been all over. He said there's about 700 of them.
Yes,
700
islands and keys.
700 islands in the Keys. Delicious food. We're about to run up to Paradise Island. We're crossing the bridge now. It's a big steep incline. It's gonna go over Caribbean waters, I guess you could say. And we're gonna try to make it over there. Headed over to Paradise Island in the Caribbean, on the Bahamas. In the Bahamas. Where are we gonna head from here? Where are we gonna go? We'll see. We will be living up the life of honeymoons, weddings, vacations, and celebrations. So as you continue to walk, you're adventuring at the same time you are exploring. The exploration is the adventure, which is the journey. And in this moment, you make the most of that journey. No matter what, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, that's how it's supposed to be, because you know why? That's it. That's all there is. There's this moment. This is the moment that we're doing. We're creating this moment. Heavenly paradise, heavenly place I can imagine. Palm trees, perfectly green grass. Just everything about this is so inspiring, man.
Sophia, please don't lean over too much, okay? I know.
Smell the air. You're in paradise, my friend. Natural spring fountains, palm trees all over the place. And then you have your palace, your station, right up at the very top. We're headed to the Daiquiri Shack. We have all of our hostel co-workers and friends here. Hello, hello. Daiquiris, fresh daiquiris. Yeah, you might want to stir it a little bit because all the booze is like on top. Oh man, dude, it's so good. It's so good. Yeah.
Delicious daiquiris. Hello.
Oh man,
We've got some daiquiris. Delicious fresh fruit
Is there alcohol
in the Bahamas. There is a little bit in there's a little bit of rum inside. Argentina from Argentina. Argentina. San Francisco. Hey. We're heading back home now, so adios. Flight's in half hour, an hour, 2 hours, something.
Uh-oh, it's raining. Oh no! Rain out of nowhere. Cover the laptop.
It's raining in the Bahamas. It kind of just started. And that's about it. Gotta get some coffee before we head back. I have a connecting flight in Newark, and then from Newark we'll go to Vegas. Call it a wrap. 3-day little island excursion. Fun, fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's already.
Is it?
Yep.
Hey, yo. So we're in San Francisco now. We're at the top of Silicon Valley. My friend Nick lives
You already know.
downtown. The Golden Gate Bridge you can see on the right. You have the whole view, the magnificent, glorious San Francisco Bay. Good night, farewell. We're gonna see you.